Hello, last benchers. How are you? We are in the second question, that is P&L appropriation, right? Right. The heading. Let me write P&L appropriation. Right. So in this we will solve one or I think two questions we'll solve, and let us see. Right. So first we will draw. I'll write the solution. So P&L appropriation, you write the heading for the solution. So this is the question given. Let us read that first. So A and B and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:1, and their capital, that is contribution towards the business, is 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. Next, so next one, A is to be paid salary of rupees 1,000 per month, right? Next, I'm not able to see. So B is to be paid a commission of rupees 5,000. Is it for a month or a year? Just 5,000, right? So interest to be allowed on capital 6% per annum. That is, on this capital we should give 6% interest, right? Next, they withdrawed 6,000, 4,000 and 2,000. On that withdrawal, the firm charges interest on drawings of rupees 270, 180 and 90 rupees. So net profit, it is 35,660. Don't worry about the question or handwriting. I'll leave the question in the description. I'll give a link. You can download it, or I'll display here. Let us see if it is displayed. You can get the screenshot. So let us start. This is our format. What comes? Particulars, right? So this is the format. Okay, some sound in the terrace, right? So don't expect the concepts. So we have less time to complete the other questions. Also, we have less time for the exams, right? Let us solve. The first thing what you will see in the P&L appropriation is profit, right? So by profit, you'll write it here. Let me some space for the amount. Is that visible? Yes. So how much it is? 35,660. One more thing. So while doing P&L appropriation, we should consider whatever income for the firm, whatever incomes for the firm is there, you should write it on the credit side, and whatever the expenses are there for the firm, you should write it on the debit side. That is the simple process. Let us see what are the expenses and incomes for the firm. So first thing, contributed capital is given. So we won't consider capital in the P&L appropriation because it will go to the partners capital account, and they are sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. That's okay, it will be used in the last. Next, A is to be paid salary 1,000 per month. If A gets salary from the firm, what it is for the firm, it is an expense, right? It's paying to its partner. So the cash is going out of the firm. If cash is going out of the firm, we should debit that. So A is salary. So how much it is? 1000 per month, right? Where it is? Yeah, 1000 per month, which means 1000 into 12 for entire year we should consider. It is 12,000. Shall I make it slight bigger column for the amount? It is 12,000. And the next thing, B is to be paid a commission of 5,000. B's commission, you write it full, 5,000 rupees, because we are debiting. Why? Because, sorry, why we are debiting it? So it is an expense for the firm because cash is going out of the firm. So we are debiting that. And the next, interest to be allowed on capital, that is 6% per annum on these amounts. So interest on capital, you write it in full. Should make some space, bigger space while writing. Okay. It is for A 50,000. Is it visible? So if not visible, here and write it. 50,000 into how much is the interest on capital? It is 6% per annum. 6%. Just a second. So 50,000 into 6%. It is 3,000 for A. Okay, I'll write inner column itself. So next for B it is 40,000 into 6%, and it will be 40 into 6%. It is 2,400. 400. And let me erase this. Okay. Next, C's capital is 30,000 into 6%. That will be 30,000 into 6%. It is 1,800. So total how much it became? 1,800 plus 2,400 plus 3,000. It is 7,200 rupees. That is your interest on capital, right? So what is given next? So we have drawings. So drawings will be in the partner's capital account. Next, interest on drawings, we have 270, 180 and 90. What we will do? What is it for the firm? So partners will pay to the firm, which means firm is getting the cash in. That is earning. Firm is earning. It is an income. So by interest on drawings, so if it is not visible, now interest on drawings, now that should be visible. So how much it is for ABC? For ABC it is 270, 180 and 90. It is 540. So that's it, right? There is no other informations. So our P&L appropriation got completed. Still one more step is there. Shall we complete that too? Get will be, yeah, total it. If it is not visible, total this, right? 35,660 and as 540. 1 minute. 35,660 plus 540. 36,200 is the total. So the same total 36, right? 36 to 100 is the total of credit, that is income side in our language, right? So next what we will do, so we will transfer it to partners capital account. That's right, we'll transfer it to partners capital account A, B, C. So what is the remaining balance? Minus 12,000 and 7,200. It is 12,000 remaining balance, right? This 12,000 we will share among the partners. Let us see, 12,000 into, what is the share? 3 by 6. 3 for A, we should total it. 3 by 6. I don't have much space. Just a second. We'll write one by one. For A, it is 12,000 into 3 divided by 6. It is 3 by 6. It is 6,000. Yeah. It is 6,000. And for B, 12,000 into 2 by 6. I think it will be 2 by 6. Yeah, 4,000. 4,000. And for C, 12,000 into how much? 1 by 6, right? So, oh God, 12,000 into 1 divided by 6. It is, for C, it is 2,000. So if it is not visible, please here and write. Okay, we written everything, and your P&L appropriation got completed. So that's it. This is an easy question and you can note down, and if you like the video, please share to your friends so that they can also get pass or get good marks in the accounts paper. And if you have any doubts, you can ask through Instagram, and if you have any suggestions to improve my teaching, you can comment below. And as of now, bye, take care. So make a note,